that thing's going into overload. This one's definitely... That compressor does not sound happy.
It's working all right.
This sounds terrible though. That's not vibrations, that's the compressor. Man. Man. That's a bad compressor. It's only not even 3 years old. Damn, dude. Ugh, that sounds rough. It's not even 3 years old. Copeland scroll compressor is already done for. Coil is nice and dirty. That's probably what's causing it. Yeah, it's been doing this for a long time. It's just gotten way, way worse. That compressor's not making it through the summer. Suction line's cold, liquid line's cold. Well, she's cooked. She's screaming. Jeez. This one hasn't been running. Oh my gosh. What a slug. I don't know if the camera picked that up, but that was brutal. Look at this. Interesting. Yeah, it's pulling heat.
It wasn't?
Here's his Concord running without the compressor. Huh. Yeah, it was only... Oh, the compressor was running because his line's cold. It's only a matter of time before that happened. That thing was getting screwed. Oh. Oh my goodness, it just exploded. Look at it shaking. No compressor again. There it goes.
Oh my god.
That compressor can't start. To haunt this thing. Oh my god.
It's horrible.
It's only 3 years old.
Dude, the compressor is horrible. Oh my god.
It's vibrating so bad.
Look at that. Oh my gosh.
It's shaking so bad.
Listen to this thing.
It's pulling heat.
I know. It's probably compressor's probably gonna turn off again, right?
Yeah.
And it's gonna start running cold again. Oh my god.
I've never heard a Concord sound so angry at this place, and that's saying something because there's quite a few that have done this.
Yeah. It's like the Concord that doesn't matter. That's it.
That's why you don't get general building maintenance to install your stuff. There you go.
Yep. Now it's blowing cold again. Kinda.
Nah, now it's pulling heat.
What? It's all horribly.
Unless it's installed by these people.
Oh my. Oh my god.
Sounds like it's popping popcorn in there in that compressor. Shut off then. Yeah, compressor's not running at all now. This coil is so dirty you can't even see it. Just a little tiny bit. Alright, the Concord's got a bit of a boo-boo. Yeah, it's a nasty compressor burnout. Didn't even put it back together. These are the mounting bolts for the compressor. No Schrader cat. Oh, they took it off and just left it. And then they took the compressor out. So that's what happens because the coil got super dirty. As you can see, it ran super high head pressure and caused the compressor or the refrigerant to burn out. And there's all the screws and the compressor bolts. Refrigerant in the oil burned from running high head pressure. That one just turned on. Man, that's nasty. Look at that. Wow. Can't say I'm surprised. Got a couple pictures for the thumbnail. I just FaceTimed Flab. The XB13 isn't frozen anymore. He said he drove by it yesterday and it was frozen. So it must have just been a filter or something, but that one has a compressor burnout. Alright. Well, I'll keep you guys updated. One of those one's off, but they have their gauges on this one. Why do they have a bag over it? Oh, they have a new compressor? Yeah, they put a new compressor in it. Is that an LG? Yeah, they put an LG in it. What about that burnout? They put a new compressor in it. What about all that acid though? And what about that? What are we gonna do there? Think of it. Doesn't look like that did anything to it. Yeah, I don't understand why it's still shut down.
Compressor, dude. LG screw.
It's finally back on. They taped. I don't know what they did. I don't know what the point of that is. Brand new LG scroll compressor.
Did you leave your car on or not?
No, it's off. Oh my gosh, a Concord. I thought that was a car.
Really? Ice cold.
This one's next for a new compressor. It's brand new. Here's the Concord running. That is so quiet.
Yeah, it's way quieter than before.
Way quieter.
It's pretty cold.
Oh man.
Finally, they fixed this.
Concord's got a new life.
The black soot is still
Black
on the side.
the old compressor. I talked to the guy. Said shut out the electrical plug, so it wasn't a burnout. Man, that is so. That's quieter than it's ever been, even when it was brand new.
You didn't even know it was running. Right?
I didn't know. I thought it was this one, and this one's running now. The oldest one.
The oldest one here.
Oldest one here.
It's pretty quiet.
That one also has a new compressor. They changed it a few years ago. The old one sounded like,
Wow, that Concord's working now. That's
man,
crazy.
felt like I'd never see the day.